Hello, Addicted to the Q world. It is noon on Friday. We're making an appearance at the American Royal World Series of Barbecue. I'm going to recap this whole weekend. Hope with Kids Q tomorrow, but we're going to do some interviews. This is going to be a fun weekend. I'm going to kind of title this Weekend Experience at the American Royal. So, be tuning in, guys. Alright, well, I've already had an interesting day. I had to go stop by security because I didn't have a pass. So I got my pass because I'm helping with Kids Q, so that's taken care of. Tram going by to take people to parking and into the tunnel. I'll show you the tunnel. That's most people know about the Kansas Speedway and the American Royal. Always talk about driving in the tunnel when they go in with the teams. So I'm hoping to cook it next year, so we'll find more about that. But so we are getting ready to enter the tunnel.
Of the brothers who stood by his side, they were ready, they were willing to bleed. Red, white, and blue. Those colors mean something, those colors stay true. Like my family before me, I feel it too. Blood that's in my veins runs red, white, and
blue. Speedway for the KCBS Invitational. Tomorrow is the Open. So we got, I don't know how many teams are cooking the Invitational. 100 something, I think it is. Judges are walking in. Some of the parties that were there have started to clean up. You see all the pallets and everything from this. Wicked Dixie Erect Barbecue. Let's see who we got here. I'm gonna go into part of a thing I've never really been to because I got to be up here at Kids Q here in a few minutes. Let's see if we can find a team that'll actually let me walk in behind it. Since I'm not judging, I won't give away their secrets. They might not like that too much. But like I said, this is definitely an very eventful weekend. That's actually right over there in that white tent's the judges' tent. Let's see who we can find to see who we're maybe we can go behind the scenes just for a few minutes of one of these teams. Bullhorn. It's interesting. Let's see who we got here. I think everybody's getting buckled down for the rain that's supposed to be hitting here in a few minutes. Pork Screws. I like that. That's a cool name. The Pork Screws competition team. They got the royal ribbons. Not only today at the Invitational, they're also cooking side dishes, which is like potatoes, beans, I think vegetables, and desserts. S&S Barbecue. Smoking Trees Barbecue. Smoking Trees. I don't know what kind of trees they're smoking, but we'll see. How's it going, guys?
Morning. What's up?
Good. Just doing a Addicted to the Q little video recap. So,
Brad, right?
Yeah. What you making today?
We're doing beans, dessert,
Nice.
potatoes, and vegetables.
Nice. You cooking tomorrow, I'm assuming, all 4 meats or the 6, whatever it is. There's sausage and turkey tomorrow, too,
We're doing
right?
them all. We're doing every
Nice.
category out here.
Hey, more chances to hear your name called, right?
That's right.
And a ribbon. So, did you have fun last night?
Indeed.
I had a little too much fun last night. It was all fine and good until someone came over and was like, shots! And I'm like, oh, this is not going to be a good night.
Yeah, that's shit. South. Went downhill from there, huh?
How many years you been cooking this?
It's our fifth.
5th. I think I'm going to try and cook it next year is my goal. But I never had a trailer or anything to be comfortable, but I'm like, I'm not sure
We
I
slept
want.
in a tent in the first year.
Yeah, I'm not sure I want to do all that noise.
Literally.
If it was like a normal contest, yes, but a Wednesday through Sunday comp, I don't really want to rough it for that long. Well, good luck, guys.
Hey, yeah, have a good day, brother.
Let's see who else we can find here. Fountain City Barbecue. Like I said, a lot of spots. I think this is where a lot of the corporate parties were, so it's a little quieter this morning now that the parties are over. I think they'll cook probably tomorrow for the open, because I'm pretty sure you have to cook at least to have your spot. You have to cook at least the open. The party of the year tells you something when they throw a big party. Let's see who else we got here. Skeeton Barbecue. Who we got here? KC Cookers. That's a nice little red Weber kettle. You don't see those that's very often. I like that big red Weber kettle. Who else we got here? Gingham Aggies. Texas, there's a lot of Texas teams here. For the Invitational, if you have cooked or grand champion one contest in any sanctioning body, you are allowed to do the Invitational. Politically incorrect. And the dog. Good thing my daughter's not here. She'd be all over that dog. Hi, dog. Aw, you remind me of my parents' dog. Yes, I know I'm getting sidetracked here. Kith and Ken. I can find one more team to talk to real quick. Champion Barbecue Supply, Hunsaker Smokers. I myself cook on Hunsakers. Mark's a big sponsor of the channel. So, yeah, you're good. Unless you want to be on the video. Okay. All fired up and kicking ash. Smoke ring barbecue pellets. Here's some famous barbecue people. They have their own show, podcast from all over, and Mr. Tailgate guys. All burnt up. I don't know if that's a good team name to be called All Burnt Up. I don't know if you want your food all burnt up. What's going on? There's Go Ham Barbecue. I think they're trying to warm up. I think it was colder this morning. I think it was warmer this morning than it was. So, how's it going, guys?
How are you?
Good. You care if I get you on video for a few minutes? So, what's your team name?
We are Go Ham Barbecue.
Where are you guys out of?
Kind of all over the place. We all met in Warrensburg at college.
Warrensburg.
But most of us are in Kansas City now. Our leader's out in Richmond, I think. Yep.
I work in Sedalia, so I know exactly where that's at.
Yeah.
So you guys cooking the open and the sides today?
Yeah. Yep.
What side are you cooking? All the sides?
I'm doing green beans.
I'm on chicken tomorrow.
Oh, you chicken tomorrow.
We've pretty much got a person per thing. Yeah.
That's about what you. I've thought I'm gonna cook it next year. I haven't decided if I'm doing any of the ancillaries, just because one person team is a lot to
that's
cook
a
all the
lot.
ancillaries. So
Cater guy getting ready back there.
I heard they can't do sweet potatoes this year.
Yeah, I did do that.
I don't know why that changed. And they made a big rule on sausage too. I think they said.
Drop the sticker there.
Oh, I did drop a sticker there. So what are you guys cooking on an offset?
Yep, that's one of them. We got roll. We got a couple Smoky Mountains on the other side of it.
Oh yeah, that's what I cook on. Well, I have cooked on Smoky Mountains. Now I've pretty much switched over to drums. But what kind of offset is this? It's not an outlaw.
Neat. What kind of smoker you got? Workhorse.
Workhorse. It looks nice. Thick steel, that's for sure. So, well,
Drive all the way to Atlanta to pick that up.
Jesus.
He's out of St. Louis.
Oh, that's not quite as. Yeah, it's still a long
It's
way.
still a little bad, but not here.
Well, you guys enjoy your cook. Yep. Good luck, guys.
Thank you.
You too. There's Mr. Tailgate Guys himself. How are you doing today?
Morning, how's it going?
Good. I'm recording. You hope that's fine.
It's fine with me.
Addicted to the Q. I'm doing a weekend recap of the Royal. So,
Yes, sir. Good to see you.
you making your ancillaries today?
Yes, we are. We mostly my wife's in charge of those, and I just try to stay out of the way.
That's I'm pretty sure if I cooked it solo, I'm not doing any of the ancillaries. Just that's a lot of food to cook.
Well, I'm trying to catch up on my rest for tomorrow. Six meats to cook tomorrow.
That's a long day.
So I'm going to try to do them on 3 gateway drums. So I'm pretty confident we can make the timeline work, but we'll see. Maybe some challenging weather, but
Yeah.
that's
Pulling
part of it.
a small drum challenge on extra meats.
Almost, yeah. It'll be challenging enough. It's always a challenge, no matter how many drums I use.
That's I could have 7 drums and it'd still be a challenge. So, well, thank you. It's good seeing you.
Thank you, Brad.
Yep.
Have a good one.
You too. So with these guys' party last night, the Smoky Woods party. They had a heck of a good party. I partaked a little too much in the Smoky Woods party last night. I'm doing a recap of the whole weekend, so we're just kind of just walking around. So you guys had a heck of a party last night. Yeah, good, real good food. I told Weeze, I said, you guys cook real good food.
Oh, good.
What else we got? Here's food rescue. Here's judging turn in. So I'd say judges are getting to their spots. They said the furnace turn ins at 12, but they like to be able to be seated and have everybody know that they have enough judges and tables and all that stuff going on. So that's that Kansas Speedway vehicle. We're gonna walk over and see if I can get a few more teams to talk to me. Just real quick, I'm not. Cool, unless you can drive a forklift in here. There's some MBBQA. Looks like they might be done for the day. Man, I don't see anybody over at the MBBQA. How's it going, guys?
Good, how you doing?
You judging?
Yeah.
Well, hope you get some good food today.
You cooking?
No.
Okay.
I'm helping with Kids Q today, and I'm just here filming and recapping. So,
All right.
Yep, I'm doing a thing of the whole weekend to get the whole experience, and I partaked a little too much last night of the real American Royal experience. Have a good one.
You too.
Give you a little recap. I always said roll them. For those who don't know, there's a buddy I cook with from Wrecking Crew Barbecue. He's actually been on the show, Alan Larimore. They came up with a game called Roll 'em, where they set up liquor 1 through 12 with 2 dice, and whatever you roll, you have to take a shot of that particular thing of alcohol. And it can be anything from really, really crappy to, we had Crown and Gentleman Jacks, some good stuff. But I've had some terrible stuff. So that is the gist of how the roll 'em works. So 3 brothers, different mothers. I've heard their name called a few times in this contest before. Let's see who we got here. Slabs.com. Iconic Bus. Try to get in here without getting too many people's Shirts on Fire Barbecue. That is an interesting setup with the trailer. It is a trailer with 10 around it. That is kind of interesting. So, just gotta pretend like I own the place. Hopefully nobody has any big secrets. Smoking Hogs Barbecue. Hillbilly Hut Boys. Now that's a great team name. Smoke This Barbecue. Papa Pig and Pork Chop. Double S Smokers. Good music. Or spare you all the time of the music. Keep calm and sauce on.